Hey, I'm here with a quick hosting an email to Gmail tutorial for you so that you can send and receive everything from one inbox. So since the beginning of 2026, Gmail no longer provides support for POP3 connections on web browsers and Gmailify for third-party email accounts. Luckily, I know how to connect hosting an email to Gmail. And that's by using the mobile app. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. First, log into your Hostinger account. If you still don't have Hostinger, you can get it right now at the lowest price with my Hostinger coupon code from the description below or by scanning this QR code. Alright, before you open Gmail, make sure your Hostinger email account is already created and working inside your Hostinger dashboard. Your domain should be pointing to Hostinger. Now grab your Android or iPhone and open the Gmail app. I'm going to show you the process on Android, but on iPhone it's basically the same thing, there's not much difference. Start by tapping the menu icon in the top left corner and then scroll down to settings and choose add account. Gmail will show you a list of providers like Google and Outlook, but since this is a custom domain email, tap other. Next, enter your full email address. Then Gmail is going to ask you what type of account you want to set up. Choose IMAP because it keeps your emails synced across all devices. After that, just enter the password you created for your Hostinger mailbox, and then for the incoming mail server, use imap.hostinger.com. Set the port to 993 and make sure SSL is selected as your security type. Once that's confirmed, Gmail will move on to the outgoing server settings. For that, use smtp.hostinger.com with port 465 and SSL enabled and sign in with the same email and password. Then choose your sync and notification preferences. And just like that, your hosting email to Gmail setup is completed. You can send and receive everything from one place without constantly switching tabs. If you still need Hostinger, a reminder to use my discount code for the lowest price possible. Grab it by scanning this QR code or clicking the link in the description. That's all in this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.